Welcome to game 2 of the season today. We got opening day for the ScoreBlazers and the DirtBags. We have 3v2 right now. Captain of the ScoreBlazers, Tyler Van Horn, cannot make it right now. He might be there halfway through the game. We got some new rookies this year. It's going to really come down to blitzball experience today to determine the winner of these two games. Yeah, short little opening segment because it's kind of raining and we want to get the game done. So let's head into player interviews and the bat toss, and we'll get straight into the game.
I'm Eric, the master. First Jacoby, draft pick for the ScoreBlazers.
Draft pick for DirtBags. Braden Teal, player for the ScoreBlazers.
Noah Swartz, reserve player for the DirtBags.
This right here is for home field advantage or away, whatever you want. Home or what?
Home.
The ScoreBlazers select home. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the first pitch of opening day for the ScoreBlazers and the DirtBags. Play ball. Strike one. All right, rookie Braden Teal, the 0-2 pitch. Strike three. Throws the bat. Try, he went. Strike three. He went. He raffled. He on 2. 1-2. Oh, it's a ground ball, but he's got to get to Grayson. He can't throw the Grayson. Save. 3. Strike 3. 3 out. 3 outs. He gets out of the inning. We head to the bottom of the first. Full count. Strike 3. 4-2. Strike 3. 2 out. Oh, it's a great base hit. That's going to get over unhurt. He has a single for 2 outs. Oh, and it's strike on drive. But that is foul. 3-2. Oh, it's a ground ball.
That's in.
Did it hit you?
No, he's out. He's gone. Did it hit you? No, he's out.
Full count. And he draws the walk. 3-2 pitch. Oh, he went. 5 out. That's a walk. Runners on first and second. 2 out. Swings one. It's a fly ball. But he drops it. Second. Strike 3. They get out of the inning. We head to the bottom of the second. 1-2. Oh, it's makes it up the middle. He's out. Oh, he's the base hit.
That's the base hit.
Save. 1-0. Three to get a base hit. Shot with a 1-0 count. Hit him again. That's the base.
He shouldn't be allowed to pitch anymore.
Oh, base hit. It's going to get the gap. That's going to score 1. Time. Wait, what's the count? What's the count? Strike! Strike out! 2. Full 2. Strike 3! They get out of the inning. They leave. Bases loaded. The score is 1-1. We head to the top of the 3rd. Strike 3! 3-2 pitch. Strike 3! Ladies and gentlemen, the ScoreBlazers captain, Tyler Van Horn, is here. Strike 3! Strike 3! That is a walk. Full count. Ball. That's a walk. 3/4 at least. There's something different. Hold on. Oh, ground ball. 1-2 pitch. Strike 3, and we are heading into extra innings, ladies and gentlemen. Here comes the first pitch of extra innings ball games in 2021. Oh no, it's just a drive. Oh, it's a foul. It's gonna go. It's a fair ball. Okay. Hey, I'm gonna give him the out. What's it? Strike 3. He did that earlier. Full 2. Strike 3. We head to the bottom of the 4th. Eric throws the bat once again. Oh, strike 3. 3-1. Oh, hit the ball. It's big. Double. Strike 3.
Tyler up with 2 out.
Full count pitch. At the walk. Runners are first and second, and Grayson is back up the bat. Yes, that is going to be an intentional walk. The bases are loaded now with 2 outs. Boy.
Oh God.
Strike 3. We head into the top of the 5th. Extra innings lives. 3-2. Strike 3. Yep. 3-2. Oh! Up the middle. Ground rule double. Yeah. Full 2. Strike 3.
That's all.
Up. Runners on first and second. Strike 3. We're at the bottom of the 5th, and the ScoreBlazers have a chance to walk it off. 1-2. Strike 3. Strike 3. Hey. Full count. That's a walk. The ScoreBlazers have life. Full count. That's a walk. It's 2 outs. You run on anything. Full pitch. That's a walk. Bases are loaded. Here comes the full count pitch. Here comes the full count pitch. And they walk it off! They walk it off! The ScoreBlazers are 1-0. Grayson needs to touch home plate. Grayson needs to touch home plate. Hey Grayson, touch home plate! And Eric walks in shame away. We'll see you next time in OBL.